Yep, say it.
Hi, Brooke.
Holly.
Hello, Brookie.
Hi, Brooke.
Hey, Brooke.
Let's
do the walk down the hill.
Yeah, we're all finished and we're down at Grampy's. You can see the windows are covered with snow because outside is covered with snow. And Holly is being weird. Yes, snow. Good, good. And we're about to make tea and hot chocolate. And my bangs are probably sticking up. I've had my glasses on top of my head because they were all fogged up. Little chickadee. Oh, chickadee left. Chickadee hates me.
I think that was a bluebird.
No, it was a chickadee.
She's alive.
It was a chickadee. It was on top of the bird feeder.
She's alive. Did you want a drink?
Yes, she is alive.
Did you want a drink or something? No.
So Grampy does not want a drink. New news. Anyways, anything else you want to say to Brooke?
For sure here.
That's true.
Let's sing we wish you a Merry Christmas.
3, 2.
1, 2, 3.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings to Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now bring
us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some briggy pudding. Figgy pudding. Anyway, cup of good cheer.
We won't
go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here.
Happy New Year!
Indeed, Happy New Year! In 3 days. So ends our Winter Wonderland vlog.